Rebecca Heiss. I'm a professor and chair of biomedical engineering. BME is a fantastic major for pre-med students. It allows you to get all of the pre-med requirements, but also getting a ton of real-world experience. So we offer a freshman level course where you actually go on medical rounds and you interact with clinicians. You have idea of some of the devices that are used that you can bring back into the biomedical engineering labs and work on and improve. And then for medical school, that works even better because then you have a much better understanding of the technologies that are used in the medical profession. We have some outstanding faculty that have really done extraordinarily well in obtaining research funding. We have several NSF Career Award winners. We have a new NIH MIRA Award winner. And that really has helped bolster our collaboration both within the department and across the campus. One of the best things about being here at VCU is that we have an excellent College of Medicine, College of Dentistry, Nursing, Allied Health. I could go on. But those are really great for BMEs specifically because we all have partnerships with schools in the School of Pharmacy and medical school and nursing, and those research collaborations are great. And oftentimes students are the ones that are really making those connections and going between the different labs collaborating as well. First and foremost, we're problem solvers, but at our core we have biology and physiology knowledge. And so students that are intrigued by medicine and by helping people, but also kind of are tech savvy. So maybe they're really interested in computer programming or robotics or biochemistry, and bring that all together makes you really attractive for biomedical engineering.